A little bit liquid gas also liquid. I use 22 liquid because it's too much oil. Because of that, condenser side is okay. No any problem. No any liquid or gas. Sorry, oil. Yes dear, now it's already oil came, all the oil. Now only liquid. Yeah. Dear friends, I'm going to refill the gas here. Sorry, oil. This is R600A oil. I'm refill because the so many oils came out. Because of that, too much oil came out. Because of that, I'm refill gas. Sorry, oil again. Here like this. You can see how I'm doing this one. Now after starting compressor, I have to close this suction. After all the gas will go to the compressor and we will start the compressor now. Still not start. Now compressor start already. Now you can see all the oil will go to the compressor. Now all the oil, it is already sucked to the compressor. Now you can see compressor is working. Now dear friends, I remove already dry filter. It is, I'm thinking it is already got blocked, dry filter, because of the oil came and it's got broke. Yes dear, it is blocked already. It's not shaking. Yeah, it is already blocked. Now I have to replace that one also. Now I already cleaned the system, fast the system. Now I will remove the charging valves from the discharge line and suction line. After that I have to refix solenoid valve and dry filter and all. Now dear friends, I will resoldering here discharge line with the brass, with the plus and brass. This one because the copper and metal, because of that. After that I have to fix two-way solenoid valve. Now it's okay dear. Now next step, I'm fixing here dry filter. After that both capillary with the two-way valve I have to fix. Now I already soldering. I already weld discharge line. It's okay. Also here dry filter. Yes dear, no any leakage. We can check here. No leakage. Here also no problem. Okay. Going to fix this solenoid valve and now make sure it is, which is here it should come to here, other one should come to here. Dear friends, finally I'm going to fix solenoid valve here. Yes, it's okay. Now this both capillary also I fixed already. Now you can see here, because of the safety I kept wet cloth. Now it's okay my dear. Now we can check. Now we can check here, it is capillary tubes is fixed properly or not. Yes dear, capillaries are not blockage, no any block. You can see now it's okay. Now dear friends, I'm going to vacuum. Now already finished my all the soldering, welding, everything perfect. You can see here I dry filter and solenoid, everything I fixed now. Now I have to vacuum in and regas charge. Should cool actually. Now this capillary not change before I mark already. Now I given solenoid power connection also. Now I'm going to vacuum this one. Now it's okay. Yes dear. Now after vacuuming, I can refill the gas. Also we have to check the weight. This is 600A butane. We will check the weight. Now you can see, dear friends, it is gas weight, it should be 56 gram only, 600A, 56 gram, it's not more than that. Now I will measure and I will fill the gas after vacuuming. Now I have to measure gas. It is cylinder weight, it is showing 6 kilo and 70 grams. Now I have to minus from here 56 grams only. After that it will be okay. Now I am going to fill the gas R600A. It is cylinder weight is 6.70. Now I have to fix only 56 gram only. That's mean it should come. It is 56 minus I have to do. That's mean now I will fill the gas. Yes dear, now I am filling gas. Now dear, compressor already got start. Now dear friends, I already fill another 10 grams only. After that, yeah, it will be okay. Now we will check here. Yes, condenser, it is already getting warm. Now you should make cool actually before it is totally blocked. That's why it's not make cool. Now we can check, we will open the door and we will check. Yes dear, here I can feel here it is making cool now. Yes, first cooling, it's making cool here refrigerator. After that it will go to the deep freezer and we will wait until getting cool deep freezer area. Now dear friends, you can see I already recharged gas. The compressor, everything perfect, it's working, no any problem. Now I will show you inside. Now you can see here it is good cooling. This is refrigerator. Also I will open here. I kept water bottle also, but still not make ice, but anyway it is okay, perfect. You can see here, you can see here it is good cooling. My job already completed. That's mean actually the system, it is already oil gone. Because of that dry filter also got blocked. Because of that it's not make cool. Now it is 100% okay, it's making cool very well. Now only I have to pinch charging port only. My job already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.